Euro gives up gains for the week. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor, XNS, the world's largest retail brokerage offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro initially tried to rally, but has really gotten hammered over the last several sessions as the G7 countries are now threatening Chinese banks. So that has people worried about a tit for tat type of trade war heating up, and that generally helps the US dollar because people buy treasuries. That being said, it'll be interesting to see how this plays out because at this point, the Federal Reserve has yet to cut, but the inflation numbers are starting to head in the right direction. So I don't know that this changes a whole lot, and I believe ultimately we're going to end up being I suspect, very sideways most of the year. Maybe with a range between 1.05 on the extreme low and 1.10 on the extreme high. Every 100 pips, we see some type of reaction from the big figures, which is not a surprise. The euro tends to be choppy under the best of circumstances. So really at this point, I think we're just going to have to pay attention to big handles. If we can break above 1.07, we may make a run to 1.08. But longer term weekly time frame traders are going to be more interested somewhere around 1.06 to start buying based on value. If we give up 1.05 to the downside, that could be very negative for the euro and we could plummet at that point. But I don't see that happening. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.